the agent have a good evaluation technically, but from the manager's preference, I know what he is good for what. So I can set up a PA. I prefer this one, okay, the agent 3 for some for some roles. That's called GRAB. And also we can introduce a B means the budget. The budget, you know, budget for each role, or budget for the group, or budget for the whole group, right? So you can, under the budget, we call GRABC. So this is called group role assignment with budget constraints. So that's why all this one belongs to the category of GRA+. So based on GRA+ and eCargo model, you can even know how you can manage the teams, okay, if well done. So for example, if the manager only knows M for a team, what does it mean? You only know, oh, how many people in the team. I do not know others. Do you think this manager is a good manager? No, nobody accept that. Okay, the second one, N. Oh, I know how many people are there. I also know how many tasks are there. N. It's a rows, the number of rows. Yeah, if you know this manager is better than the one who only knows M. And L. If another manager also knows, I also know task, okay, at least this task at least 2, that task at least 3, that task at least 1. You know better about the team. If you know Q, you evaluate each agent on each position. Okay, that's good. That's a better, okay, controlling or management for the team. If you can do a good assignment, or you are doing an assignment, if you know there are some conflicts, okay, you can make the work well done. If you know, oh, even though I know they are friends or they are co-works very good, you can put them together to work for something. Yeah, this one. And also, if you have some preference based on your experience, you can make it good, make it better, right? So that's, use eCargo, you can understand how you can manage a team at different levels. So now we can see that if some of you knows the ILP, that's called integer linear programming, you may say, oh, yeah, what you express just okay, use the ILP. Oh, yes. Now, all of my work on GRA+ finally is transferred to an ILP. Why? Because we need to solve it. Yeah, now the optimization platform can solve ILP, integer linear programming problems. I remember that not all GRA problems belongs to ILP. I can, it's for this one. Yeah, for the CCF, at the beginning, I composed it into a non-linear. So that means they're not sum, okay? The factors, affections, okay? The factor of effect or impact are not considered as a sum, but as a multiplications. If multiplications, oh no, that's non-linear. It cannot be solvable, okay, with the platform. Okay, so that's why now, if you want to do research, yeah, we try to do something from this kind of problems into ILP, and then we can solve it. Or if you are more good, okay, better at theory, you can even develop specific algorithms specific for such a problem. It may be more efficient than the general optimization platform. So the conclusion. Yeah, so I think the greatest is the simplest. So keep it simple. Collaboration a group of agents play different roles by sharing environment. It's composed of classes and objects. So RBC is composed, okay, RBC is a computational methodology and is also a discovery methodology. eCargo is a model for RBC. And remember, if you want to know GRE, just to understand M, N, I, J, L, K, T. Okay, I means the index of agents. Yeah, J means the index of rows. And if you want to understand and know GRE, okay, you just know from GRE, we add a specific data structure, or you can see mathematical structure. This one is a matrix. This one is a vector. This one is another matrix. This one is another vector, another vector. We create different problems. So this is the current situation for role-based collaboration as a root, right? And then it developed to GRE. And then from GRE, we developed to GRE plus, yeah. From eCargo, we developed to GRE. From GRE, we developed GRE plus. GRE can be continue developed to formalize scheduling problems. And GRE also based on GRE, we can go to GRE plus plus. GRE plus plus means multiple pro assignment with multiple objectives. Okay, and from this one we can even develop into multi-level scheduling. Okay, and from from GRE role-based collaboration we can check what's a role-playing situation, what's adaptive collaboration. From adaptive collaboration we can formalize and build, we call autonomous systems. And with DGRE means dynamic group role assignment. From this side, okay, yeah, you can say GRE, if we want to use GRE, we need to provide pertinent agent evaluation. And also before that, we need to do role negotiation. Okay, so you can see this part have still many problems we need to solve. Yeah, and anybody who have some insight from this different aspects, you can make contributions. And now my recent researchers are now doing social simulations. We can apply GRA to social simulations, GRA plus to social simulation, GRA plus plus to social simulations. It's a very interesting and exciting topic onto research. So for now, maybe you are undergraduate students, okay, you cannot understand all the terms and all what I'm talking about, and try to remember this tree. I believe this tree for your young brain, it's easy to make a picture into your brain. I hope this tree can be grow in your brain. And if you, for references, you can search me by Google or by the IEEE explorer.ieee.org. And so also you can search collaboration on this website. I'm among the top authors. So thank you, and that's what I hope to talk today. And I'm happy to answer questions.
Students, if you have any questions, you can write it into the chat box.
Right, I will check. Where is?
So there is one question: how can the development of internet improve